me. I'm back again. So, how are you to everyone? So, don't forget to subscribe me. Okay? Follow please. See what outside. It's olive. Guys, yung daming bunga sa arms. May bunga ng olives. Yes. Ito yung ginagawang olive oil. Ito sa Jordan. Did you see that? Yes. So, bye. Thanks for watching. Take care always. Take care to everyone.